In all recent wars, drones, missiles and modern fighter jets stage a decisive role, but in last Pakistan-India war, Pakistan Navy played a very vital role to deter Indian Navy to enter in Pakistan international waters. This led to greater need for modern weapons for Navy. Defense cooperation between China and Pakistan also extends significantly into all strategic areas. One of the most notable milestones is the modernization of the Pakistan Navy's attack submarine fleet, highlighted by the joint construction of 8 new Hangor-class submarines. Surface sea trials for one of the units built in China were recently recorded, marking a key development in the program. Aiming to replace its aging fleet of Augusta-class submarines, acquired in the 1970s and 1990s, Pakistan reached agreements with China for the joint construction of a new class of submarines based on the Chinese Navy's Type 039B design. Under contracts signed in 2015, the Pakistan Navy will receive a total of 8 Hangor-class attack submarines. 4 of these are being built by the Wuchang Shipbuilding Industry Group Company Limited in Wuhan Province, while the remaining 4 are under construction at the Karachi Shipyard and Engineering Works Limited. According to the latest updates, the Chinese shipbuilder has already launched 2 of these submarines, while the Pakistani shipyard is advancing in the local construction of the first 2, having completed the keel laying of the second unit in February 2024. Eponymously christened after the former Daphne-class submarines that the PN operated between 1970 and 2006, the class is an export derivative of the Chinese origin Type 039A attack submarine, currently operated by the People's Liberation Army Navy Plan. First unveiled to the public in 2018, the future submarines are envisaged to undertake anti-access, area denial operations within Pakistan's exclusive economic zone, through the use of heavyweight torpedoes and anti-ship cruising missiles. More recently, a series of photographs circulating online appear to show surface sea trials of one of the Wuchang-built submarines, likely taking place near the Shuangyu Naval Base. However, neither the Chinese company nor the Pakistan Navy have issued official statements providing further details on these tests. In addition to progress in the submarine domain, it's worth noting the recent proposal made by Chinese authorities to equip the Pakistan Air Force with Shenyang J-35A stealth fighters, Shanxi KJ-500 airborne early warning and control aircraft, and HQ-19 ballistic missile defense systems. Presumably based on the Type 039B design, though sharing several features with the Type 039A, the Hangor-class submarines represent Pakistan's effort to renew its underwater warfare capabilities with a modern diesel-electric attack platform. Although limited official information is available, the class is believed to be an export variant of the Type 039B, with a displacement of 2,800 tons, a length of 76 meters, and an estimated beam of 8.4 meters. Regarding propulsion, several sources indicate that the submarine will feature an air-independent propulsion (AIP) system, most likely powered by Chinese origin components, as opposed to the original S-26 design, which relied on MTU engines subject to third-party export restrictions. The armament suite remains a major unknown, though it is widely speculated that the submarines will be capable of deploying a variety of torpedoes, as well as submarine-launched anti-ship and land attack cruise missiles. Among the possibilities is the integration of a submarine-launched variant of the Baba-3 cruise missile. Pakistan's Ministry of Defense (MOD) ordered 8 submarines from China in 2015, at an approximate cost of $5 billion, making it the largest arms export contract in China's military history. Of the 8 ordered examples, the initial 4 are being built by CSIC while the latter 4 are to be built by KSEW, under a technology transfer agreement. The first 4 vessels, built by China, are expected to be delivered by 2023, but delayed, while the latter 4, which are to be built by Pakistan, are expected to be delivered between 2025 and 2028, at the rate of 1 delivery per year.